everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. I do makeup and skincare on this channel. Today I am going to review this Plum Goodness Vitamin C Serum. This is a 50% vitamin C serum. You will get 20 ml of product quantity for 550 rupees and 30 ml of product quantity for 790 rupees. I have bought the 20 ml to just try and for the trial, and if I'll tell you later if I'll buy the bigger bottle or not. So it comes in a cardboard packaging like this. The outer packaging is a cardboard packaging. There you get all the informations about the product, how much, what is the percentage, what is there, and full ingredient list and how to use it, and all the highlights of the product at the back and sides of the outer packaging. Then comes this cute little guy, which is the actual vitamin C serum. Okay, this comes in a black colored glass bottle with a dropper dispenser. They have used ethyl ascorbic acid as their vitamin C, and this one is a very stable derivative of vitamin C, and there are a few derivatives of ascorbic acid which are also vitamin C. So all total, the serum has 15% of vitamin C, which is a very high quantity, and I can say that it is a very potent amount of vitamin C. So I expected to just see the results within a few days. Actually, 15% vitamin C is quite a high percentage for like vitamin C. It also has the extract from Japanese mandarin and kakadu plum, which are also known sources of vitamin C and very good for our skin. This product is fragrance free and has a shelf life of 2 years. It has a very watery consistency. Let me show you. Okay, I hope you can see. This has a very watery consistency, and just when you apply it, it gets absorbed within like seconds. But what I felt, as I have oily skin, this is a little bit of sticky. Like, it is not water based, it is kind of something. If you have already used the minimalist vitamin C, this consistency is quite similar to that. Like a little bit of gel, aloe vera gel kind of stickiness. They use a base of aloe vera gel, like minimalist. They say that they use a base of aloe vera gel instead of water, so that is why it is a little bit of sticky. And in this case too, I find it like bit sticky, tiny little bit sticky, but nothing uncomfortable. So let me talk about my experience with this vitamin C, that I got to see the results after 5 days of using it. Actually, I was using the Lakme vitamin C serum, and I really liked the Lakme one. After that, I gave 1 day of just gap before starting using this serum, and then I started using this one, and you can see I have finished up to this of the serum, and I used it twice daily. I followed it up with a sunscreen in the morning because, you know, vitamin C is very sensitive to sunlight or UV rays. That is why using a sunscreen is a must while you are using vitamin C. And I really like the vitamin C serum. You know, the minimalist one, the Lakme one, and this one. I tried all three of these, but I can say that I like these three more than the Dot and Key one. Yeah, Dot and Key one was my first vitamin C serum, but after I finished it, I started using these three, and you know, I love these three more than the Dot and Key one. I like the fact that this comes in a glass bottle and in a dark bottle, so that it does not react with heat and sun. If the vitamin C serum comes in contact with too much of heat and sun, it may lose its potency. One thing I want to mention, that though it has a shelf life of 2 years, try to finish the serum within 3 months of opening the packaging, because otherwise it will not work. It will lose its potency otherwise. So that's that. The thing is that I liked it. I really liked this vitamin C. That's what I have to say about this vitamin C serum. I will definitely recommend you. If you want to choose me from the Lakme one and this one, it's hard to tell, because this one works faster than the Lakme one, because this is 15% of vitamin C, but it is a bit sticky, whereas the Lakme one is non-sticky, but I don't know how much vitamin C it has, but it works slower than this one. So definitely it is not 15%, it is lower than 15%. And Lakme one has a little bit of fragrance, whereas this one doesn't have. Okay, it smells like kind of burnt orange, so it smells like that. That sounds crazy, but that is what I felt. And the Lakme one has some fragrance in it, but still I would prefer or choose the Plum one over the Lakme one. So this is what I had to tell about this serum. I hope you get my point and what I have to say on this serum. And if you like this review, please give this review a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are not already. Thank you so much for watching this video, and bye till my next video.